Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, we definitely did engulf down yesterday. Hopefully, that proves that this really is the end of an ABC. If it is the end of an ABC, then it pretty much has to turn into an impulsive downtrend. If it does anything besides turn into an impulsive downtrend and go down and take out these previous lows, then we may have to scratch the idea of this being an ABC correction. As of right now, it definitely looks like it isn't over and that it is starting a new downtrend. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. If this really is the end of a wave C on the daily, that means we're in a new downtrend. If we are in a new downtrend, that means this move up right here potentially is only a pullback to this last wave down, and maybe over the next day or so, it's going to make some sort of a three-way pullback like this, maybe bounce off one of these Fibonacci levels with some sort of a recognizable pullback like an ABC, WXY, or something along those lines to end up continuing, hopefully, the daily time frame and weekly time frame downtrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.